Hello students, welcome you for the unit 2. In unit 2 we are going to see about the combinational circuits. Combinational circuits will try to use a boolean expression and we'll try to form a application of that particular boolean expression law and how to draw the circuit diagram for it. In this combinational circuit, it never depends upon the time instant factor. So the first application we are going to study is going to be how to add using of a adder circuit. Output is depend only on the present input. So it is not worried about what is your previous condition and what will be your future condition. What is the input at that moment? It will produce an output. Okay, so input, output. This is a combinational circuit. First thing is we'll take a smaller bit. Only 2 bits are being considered. Slowly we'll increase the size of the bits. First 2 bits we call it as a half adder circuit. It uses only a single bit. Okay, 1 that will have a combination. 2 to the power of 1 is 2 combination. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. That is how you get a 4 combinations. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So if it is both inputs are low, output is sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 1 sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 0 sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 1 sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay, so it doesn't bother about previous information. Input given, output will be produced. So to draw that from the truth table, we are going to draw the Boolean expression. So we can find out either by using K-map or you can directly now write it. Since it's a smaller one, you can write it out. What is S1? S1, the information is A bar B. A bar B. Second S1 information plus A B bar. So this one is equal to an exclusively OR gate. A exclusively OR with B. Similarly, carry input. This is your 1. What is the input information? A into B. Both are high. A into B. Okay, draw the circuit. So information is exclusively OR gate you put in. How many inputs to exclusively OR gate? 2 inputs A and B. Similarly, 2 inputs for carry A and B, but it is given to an AND gate. So this is sum, this is carry out. This is the information for your single bit half adder system. Now slightly increase into 3-bit information. In 3-bit information it will be, you will have 2 inputs and previous carry also to be considered. If you are adding up with the 2-bit, you will definitely have a carry. So let me take the example as 0 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 0, you will have the carry here. So that carry has to be considered if you consider the second bit. So if I take a 3-bit information, I need to first write down the truth table. So you're going to have a full adder combinational circuit. The information is 3 bits, A, B, C in. C in is your carry input. Sum is the output. Final carry out is C out. Okay, write down the truth table. While you write down the truth table, you note down here the combinations. The inputs are 0, 0 in both the first row and second row. Only the carry input you are going to consider with there is a carry, what is the information out. If there is no carry, what is the information out. So first one A 0 0, there is no carry. So output is 0 0. 0 0 1, carry is 1 is considered, assume. So if you add all the bits, sum is 1, carry is 0. Again similarly next combination 0 1, again 2 combinations of your carry. 0 condition, what will be the output? 1 condition, what will be the output? So you can find out the truth tables are repeated once. Okay, so for 0 condition the output is sum is 1, carry 0. In the second condition, if carry input is there, you will have 0 1 plus 1. So it will become sum is 0. See here, this is the condition. Okay, this is the condition. Now 0 1 1 you added, sum is 0, carry is added over here. So sum is 0, carry output is 1. Next combination 1 0, again 2 methods of your input C1, 0 and 1 condition. 1 0 0 1. 1 0, if input information is having a carry, it will add up 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 0 and 1. Similarly, in that final input is 1 1 condition. Again under the condition of carry in 0, carry in 1. If it is 0, you will have the output as 1 plus 1, 1 0. Sum is 0, carry is 1. If you have 1 plus 1, 1 0, again you add 1, it is triple 1. So it is 1 1, sum is 1, carry is 1. Now you need to draw the Since it has become the bitwise mode, you need to find out the answer of this logical gate using a K-map. So we need to draw the K-map for sum separate, carry out separate. So every base is going to be a K-map now onwards. So we'll have this. Okay, so you'll have the sum. See here, I've drawn, it's a 3 variable input K-map. I have mapped all your thing, it's a min term, so I have mapped it. Wherever you have higher terms, you have mapped it. 1 is higher, 2 is higher, 4 is higher, 7 is higher. All are separately, you cannot even club the ones. All are different conditions. So you're going to write down the ones over here. So take this one. What is the answer? You can write down A bar, B bar, C in. Okay, first condition. Second one, A bar, B, C bar. Okay. Third condition, it is A, B bar, C input bar. A, B bar, C input bar. Next condition, A, B, C, I. A, B, C, I. Okay. Once you have written this, what is the common term you have it? Ci is common. Okay, Ci is common. So take common Ci. AB plus AB bar. Next is Ci bar is common. So I am simplifying it. Use the Boolean simplification law. So Ci is taken out. Then you have the combination as A B bar plus A bar B. Now you see this is an exclusively OR gate. This is exclusively NOR gate. Okay. So I have taken over here again Ci is equal to exclusively NOR. A dot circle B. And that can be written in terms of exclusively OR gate by taking 1's complement. Okay, so actually it is like this, A dot B, it is like this, this is exclusively NOR gate. If I want to convert to exclusively OR gate, I am taking a De Morgan's principle, so this symbol will be opposite. I'll take a whole complement. This is what we have done it over here. So XNOR is converted into XOR, and this is XOR already, therefore A plus B XOR, exclusively OR gate. Now we have combination. Again look into the expression. This is Ci. This is Ci bar. Therefore complement. Again this expression can be written as A plus B exclusively OR already given. Now you have Ci and Ci bar. So complement. Exclusively OR combination. Therefore the output, sum output for a 3-bit information is an 3 input exclusively OR of A, B and Ci. That is what is the sum. Now we come to carry. Again do the K-map for carry. In this carry you can come out in 2 expression. Okay, you can come out in 2 expression. I have taken only these 1 to be clubbed. You understand, I have taken only 1 to be taken, clubbing. So in this condition it will be equivalent to, answer is A, B. Okay, then these 2 are individually I have taken. If I am not clubbing, it's encircled as a single one, you will get the answer as A bar, B bar, C by. Okay, so you will get the answer. Next one is, you are taking this one, so the answer is A, B bar, Ci. A, B bar, Ci. Okay, so in this common is Ci, take it out, you will have the answer as A, B bar plus A, B bar. This is what exclusively OR gate. A exclusively OR into Ci. This is one way of finding out carry out information, or the another way is, see here I have given 2 encircles. You can also encircle this one, you can also encircle this one. That's why I have given here. You can vertically encircle, we can horizontally encircle. If you encircle this one, you will get this equation. Both are correct. So if I take C out, this common value is A and B, first one. If I encircle the vertical position, the answer is B, Ci. If I encircle this horizontally, these 2 values, the answer is A, Ci. Okay, so draw the circuit of it. So the circuit is, what is a sum? Exclusively 3 input exclusively OR gate. A bar B exclusively OR with B, exclusively OR with Ci. What is AND gate C out? It is AB plus ACI plus BCI. So one AND gate, second AND gate, third AND gate. All the 3 inputs are given to one OR gate. So that's how we draw a combinational circuit by finding a truth table. From truth table you do a K-map, simplify the expression to the least minimum value, then draw it with the logical gates required, whether it can be AND gate, NAND gate, exclusively OR gate. That will produce an output of sum and carry. This is the information half adder and full adder circuit. So first application of a combinational circuit.